How to leave WhatsApp group without anyone knowing. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can leave WhatsApp groups without anyone knowing. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. If you leave a WhatsApp group, everyone in the group will get a notification that you have left the group. However, with its new privacy feature update, you can now leave a group and no one will be notified except admins. They will receive a notification that you have left the group. So update your WhatsApp. But I'm not 100% sure that this update is available for everyone. So now what you can do is that if you're on Android, press and hold the group chat and tap on archive. If you are on iPhone, press and hold and swipe left the group. This does not delete or notify anyone. It will just hide the group so you don't see it or receive any notifications when people post new messages, videos, photos, etc. If you want to unarchive the group, scroll to the top. Here you will see the archive groups. Press the archive group you want to unarchive and tap on unarchive. So that's how you can leave WhatsApp groups without anyone knowing.